Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are picking back up with the cabinet installation of the job that we started in our last video. If you haven't already, be sure to take a look at it to really see how incredible this transformation is. This kitchen is hardly recognizable from what was there before. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. We pick back up with the cabinet installation. We installed Waypoint 750 maple linen cabinets in this kitchen. We also reworked a bay window that will be behind the sink. The countertops will extend into the bay as a flush sill. We also replaced the old windows with new ones. The finishing touches are being done to the cabinets, such as the hardware. We installed various sizes of Richelieu BP 2606 160-195. We installed Cambria Berwyn countertops with demi-bullnose edges. The backsplash we installed was Dow Tile Skybridge Gray 4x8 tile and a brick joint pattern with a 6-inch 2x4 brick joint mosaic strip. Here is the completed kitchen. This kitchen turned out absolutely beautiful, and removing the wall gave the ability to create a much more functional kitchen for the homeowners who love to entertain. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this kitchen remodel. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.